What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today we're talking about a massively undervalued company with a huge upside potential. The company I'm talking about today is Shift Technologies Inc., ticker symbol SFT. Shift Technologies basically makes buying and selling used cars fun, fair and accessible to everyone. This is how it works. You basically start by finding a car using their online platform, and then they'll let you know whether you qualify for a loan. Then they'll bring the car over to your house so you can test drive it, which is really convenient. So basically, if you like the car, you can just buy it on the spot and complete the necessary paperwork. Right, now let's take a look at its chart. So as you can see, the share price is currently at $8.24. This price is the lowest it's ever been, so it presents a great buying opportunity. It has a market cap of $691 million, so it's fair to say that it's still a small cap company. So now that we know what they do, let me explain why I think Shift Technologies has great potential. First of all, if you look at its competitors in Carvana and Vroom, you'll quickly realize the growth potential Shift Technology has. And it also helps massively that the total addressable market for e-commerce in terms of buying and selling cars is set to explode over the years. Let me read this from this report I found. Now, according to this report, automotive e-commerce is already a sizable market that will generate estimated online sales of $14.6 billion in 2018. So this report, although is a bit outdated, it does provide a clear picture. And then it goes on to mention that this still represents only about 1% of US vehicle sales, which totaled about 1.1 trillion last year. So what that means is that the total addressable market for this type of thing is in the trillions of dollars, so it's a huge marketplace. A $1 trillion market opportunity also means that it's huge enough for all three companies to feed off of and do well in the years ahead. Don't get me wrong though, Shift Technologies is a small cap company, so it does have its risks, but in my opinion it presents a really good risk to reward ratio. Shift currently only operates in 5 regions, so it's in the early growth stage when compared to the likes of Carvana that operates in 30 regions. But the important thing to note here is that Carvana currently sells for 4.6 times its estimated $8 billion revenue in 2021. Vroom sells for 2.3 its estimated revenue of 2021. However, Shift only sells for 1.3 times its 2021 estimated revenue. So the valuation alone on this thing presents an exciting investment opportunity, but that's not all. In addition to this, consumers seem to love the experience they've had buying and selling cars via their platform. If you look at the Trustpilot reviews for Shift Technologies, you'll find that they score an average of 4 out of 5 stars. This is significant because Vroom has only 1.5 stars and Carvana has a rating of 3.6. So the customer experience that Shift Technology provides to its consumers is far superior than what Carvana and Vroom offers currently. So it's clear to see that Shift Technologies takes customer experience really seriously, which means that more people are likely to have a better experience using their platform over Vroom or Carvana, and hence more likely to recommend Shift to their friends and family members over any other provider. Another important factor that makes this a compelling buy is that consumers are now slowly becoming aware of this company. If you look at the website traffic over time, you can see that there's a gradual rise over here in the last few months. Another key thing here is that the traffic is evenly balanced. What I mean by that is that at least half of the traffic is organic. This means that even though they are spending money and lots of money on ads to acquire customers, there's also a good chunk of people visiting the website naturally. So, what am I doing with the stock? Well, I started a position in the company last week and I informed my Patreons about it as well. Don't get me wrong, this is a growing company, but it's clear to see that with a huge total addressable market, a great customer experience, it's only a matter of time that people start using Shift Technologies more and more. Currently, Shift Technologies isn't getting a lot of attention from analysts. I think this is going to change the minute they realize how overvalued Carvana is compared to Shift Technologies, and when this happens, we can expect the share price to 3x real quick. Anyways guys, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.